Exam cell manual valuation, marks processing. Now I will explain the manual valuation module, specifically focusing on marks entry and result processing. This module is used when valuation is done manually and marks are entered into the system for final processing. Mid-marks entry, split up. First, we move to mid-marks entry split up. Here, we can download the Excel template. Enter marks offline and upload or directly enter marks through the screen. Note: total marks are calculated automatically, so no need to enter total separately. Final internal marks, split up. Next, we go to final internal marks split up. Here, the system considers the split up type marked as final. We can enter marks through Excel upload or screen entry. Booklet marks internal. Next, we move to booklet marks internal. Here, mid-1 and mid-2 marks are entered directly. Average internal external marks. In average internal external marks, the final internal marks are calculated and entered. Booklet marks external. Next, we go to booklet marks external. Here, marks from manual valuation of answer scripts are entered. Question-wise marks entry, external. In question-wise marks external, marks are entered question by question. This provides detailed evaluation tracking. Revaluation models. Next, we configure revaluation models. Model 1. Selected valuation is considered as final. Model 2. Multiple valuations are compared. Least difference is considered. Average marks are calculated. Finalize marks. In finalize marks, marks are confirmed and locked. Note: if marks are already entered in the average internal external screen, then finalization is not required separately. Result processing. Next, we move to result processing. Here, the system processes all marks, generates the final results. T-sheet, tabulation sheet. In the T-sheet, we can download the tabulation sheet. Verify all student marks before publishing results. Result publication. Once the result process is completed, students can view their results through student login or mobile application. This completes the manual valuation module, including marks entry, verification, and result processing. Thank you.